my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is just going to be a classic holiday makeup look. It is going to be a voiceover, so it's going to be pretty quick. But if you're interested in how I got this look, then go ahead and just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Boss Mood palette and I'm going to be going in with this light brown here, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. You can use any brown you want, it really doesn't matter. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape and a small concealer brush, and I'm going to create a much bigger crease than my small one, and I did this just so it could give the appearance of a bigger eye and give me more lid space. Now I'm going in with this dark brown here from my Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to start a wing liner. I'm doing it with powder because I really want to smoke it out. I have been loving smoked out liner lately. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed. Now I'm going to be taking this gold shimmer, and you could really skip this step because now I'm going to add some NYX glitter. This is the gold glitter, and once I applied that, you really couldn't tell that I put the gold shimmer under, and for my other eye I didn't even put the gold shimmer and it looked exactly the same, so you're good. Now I just applied my base and contour, and I'm going to go into my under eyes using that dark brown. Now just to warm up my face some more, I am taking my NYX matte bronzer. This is in the shade medium. I love this bronzer so much. It is super warm, and I'm putting it everywhere that I contoured. Gotta get that double chin. you know. Now for even more warmth, I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just throwing that everywhere as well. Now I'm taking this blush. I don't know what it's called because I'm not home right now, but it's a really pretty peachy blush and I love it. Now I'm taking my NYX Dewy Drops. I don't even know what they're called either. I'm sorry, you guys. But I'm taking this, did I say NYX? This Cover Effects, girl. What am I talking about? Moving on, I'm taking this ColourPop and Kathleen Lights On the Cusp highlight. This is my favorite highlight in the whole entire world. I like it better than the ABH Amrezy highlighter, and I never thought that I would say that, but it's so good. Now I'm taking this is a Maybelline eyeliner in brown and my Fenty Beauty Uncensored lip paint. I love using this eyeliner for lip liner because it's really smooth and it lasts all day. Like that will not budge whatsoever. And then I'm just applying the uncensored lip paint on top, and you guys, that is literally it. Okay guys, so this is it for the completed look. I did change my sweater into a sweater I would probably wear for Christmas, and I also curled my hair. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.